Hello everyone. See you again here with VD. I'm going to explain about the method one by using this Labubu, Labubu sales data in Sydney. So this is we will be using C-score to determine outlier. So what is C-score? C-score is how far is its data to its average divided by the standard deviation. Okay, in here we will start to calculate the C-score, okay, in here. So C-score is its data. Oh, sorry, before we need to calculate the average first, okay. For example, average. Okay, since we are going to use this data over and over again, let's say you need to go to block the data and then you go to formula and define name. Okay, for example, in here, we will use uh, the name LBS Labubuso. Okay, so we already defined that this array is LBS. Okay, okay, since the name is already taken, yeah. Okay, I'll use another LB only. Okay, so in here, uh, we need to calculate the average, for example. Okay, so we just need to call LB and close the bracket like this. Now we already have the average. And for the standard deviation, in here, we consider this data as sample. Yeah, probably the year 2024 it could represent 2025, 2023 before and everything. So we use it as sample and we will use data as LB like this. Now we already know the average and the standard deviation. From here, uh, we can calculate its data C-score, Z-score. So its data is subtracted by the average and then divided by the standard deviation. Okay, if you are doing this and then you copy all the data all way back down, okay, like this. So, okay, to copy to all way back down, uh, you see the cursor is in the white plus sign. You should mouse over in the bottom right of the cursor of the cell like this until it turns to be black plus sign and you can double click. Okay, as you can see in here from the formula, uh, yeah, the B1 should be B3 in here, but the H3, H3 should not be H3, it should be H2, yeah. We should refer to here. And then for H4, it should be referred to still H3, yeah. So for H2 and H3 should be fixed, and for B, it should be dynamic. So in order to fix this problem, okay, we will make this H2 fix by pressing here the cursor, click in the H2 part, and then you can press F4, or in other laptop or in MacBook, you can press Fn and F4 at the same time. Fn means function button. It depends on your laptop. Okay, and for H3, we also make it fix by pressing F4 like this. So you can see the dollar sign. You can also type the dollar sign if you like, but yeah, I choose like this because yeah, it's faster. You don't need to type. Okay, and then I enter, and then afterwards, I click all the way down by double clicking. As you can see in here, this is negative 0, 1, 4, and everything. In here, you already know the Z-score of every record. From here, we can determine which one is outlier. Okay, so outlier basically uh, is whenever this absolute value of Z-score is above 3, then it is considered outlier. Meanwhile, we will break down this into two. First, we want to calculate when the Z-score is negative, let's say, it should be smaller then 3.0, let's say. Yeah, in here. I just want to make things clear, so I put zero point 0. Okay, so this is outlier. Okay, so basically the rule is this one. And now we want to calculate, count how many of the data in the range. You know, the range, it should be this one. Okay, probably need to define this one as well. Okay, let's say we will do this data over and over again. So I'm going to name the C-score as well. So you block the C-score, the numeric data only, Control Shift down, and then click formula and then define name. And here we name it ZLB if it is not taken yet. Okay, so C-score of L Labubu is ZLB. Okay, I'm going to use that. So unit count if, open bracket, the range is ZLB, which is the whole data in this area, the array, and then comma. What are the criteria? The criteria is should be uh, less than uh, minus 3.0. And don't forget the quote mark like this, and then enter. So there are four outliers in the bottom, and that is very small. And next, we want to calculate the C-score, which is have big value. Okay. Okay, in here we still use count if. The range is set LB because we already named. And then the criteria is larger than 3.0. Yeah, I just want to make sure to make it clear. I put 0.0 and it looks like this. Okay, then the total number of outlier is 10. Yeah, you just need to sum it up. 4 plus 6 would be 10. Okay, however, you can also do combine this using two conifs, for example, like this. Still set LB and then less than minus 3, close bracket, and then conif again, double click conif, and then set LB, and then close, and then larger than 3, close bracket. So it should also say shows the same number 10. Okay, so I think that's it. You will get 10 outliers. Okay, if you are using this method. Okay, okay, that's it. You should go to the next part for the other method. Thanks for your time. See you again in the next video.